Good evening, Mr. Berbatov. Welcome to Malaysia. Just to let you know, right, you are one of the very few football players, right, who actually showed me the magic of football, the silkiness and what you've done for Spurs, right? The last trophy that we've had from your hands and the hands. My question is, actually, I'm going to divert from my original question a bit, right? Because you were saying about choices in life. If I give you time now, right, would you choose us or would you choose MU?
Well, if it's in the
Now.
same, now you mean?
Now, not at that time. If at now and you are perfectly what you were at that, would you join Spurs? Or you join?
You're putting me on the spot here, but because you don't know me personally, you know how honest and brutal I can be at the time. I will give you the honest answer. Now, Spurs have a great training facility, a great stadium. The stadium of Spurs is better than the stadium of Old Trafford. Trust me, Old Trafford need to work on that stadium a lot, and I'm sure they will, because times are changing now. And now, if I'm in this situation, it will be way more difficult to make the decision, because seeing how the days and times has shifted and what United is going through, so then I'll be more calculating, more thinking, and probably I will decide to stay at Spurs if it's now the current situation, seeing the changing of coaches, the way that the games are played, the criticizing of everything, like no trophies for 10 years, no trophies, sorry.
15 years.
The league title, I mean.
No league title, 40
So
years.
that will be a big decision changer for everyone, especially me. Because as you said, back in the day it was the titles, the games, the manager, the players, everything. But now, unfortunately, it pains me to say it, guys, but you know it, you see it. We need to work very hard as a team United to go back and challenge for everything. So in this situation, based on what Spurs have built, and trust me, if you never go to the training ground, you should go, if you have a chance and they allow it. If you've been to the stadium, you know what I'm talking about, right?
Yes.
And I remember going to the stadium and see Daniel Levy and say, why didn't you build this? Well, now it's there. Because the training ground was smaller when I was there. The White Hart Lane, the old one, although it was great with memories and everything, it was small, now it's unbelievable. So probably the top decision will be to take the chance and maybe stay at Spurs.
Do you think Ange Ball will suit you?
You know why? Yes, because he reminds me with that voice deep to Martinho in a way. The way he carries himself, he's very honest. Like, all right, mate, you know, stuff like this and talking. And just, you have some people that you see them and you want to play for them. And I think the players, they want to play for Ange. They want to die for him on the pitch and just enjoy, because you can see now Spurs have that way of playing, entertaining football again. Brave football. We are down to 9 men. I don't care. Just go and play highline or whatever. You know, entertain the fans, and they will appreciate it like they do. Hopefully, along that road, we can win. When I say we, guys, I want you to understand me. I say we because I love Spurs, I love United. I hope that we can win something, a trophy or something, because 2008, now it's 2023. Come on.
Yeah.
You know, you need to find any means necessary to win a trophy. Hopefully that will give the hunger and to the players, and they try to win more along the way.
All right, thank you.